So it's surprising how quickly and how far away the mind can get from us. It's a Sunday afternoon, but already we're thinking into the week. But the interesting thing is, no matter how much we think about the week ahead, what's happening, who we're going to be speaking with, what's going to be happening to us throughout that week, the truth is, right now, it's still Sunday and we're still just sitting in the chair. The rest of it is in our mind, and we're doing this all the time. The very least we can do is wait until the actual thing has happened, or we see if it's happened before we give it any energy. So rather than spending lots of time anticipating what could happen, what might happen, instead, try just stepping out of that thinking, coming back to the present, and just enjoying the fact that right now, there is nothing to do. There is nowhere to go. And you can just enjoy spending some time letting the body and the mind unwind. So just take a moment to get comfortable. Take a deep breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And as you close the eyes with the out breath, just feeling the weight of the body pressing against the seat, against the floor, wherever you are right now. Allowing any thoughts of the week ahead just to come and go. Just starting to notice how the body feels. Starting to notice how the breath in the body feels. And if you can't feel the breath, just gently placing your hand on your stomach. And just staying with that rising and falling sensation. Knowing that right now, in this moment, that's the only thing we know for sure. And then just bringing the attention back to the body again, coming back to that weight, that contact, coming back to any sounds around you. And whenever you're ready, just gently opening the eyes again.